What's good, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make a trade on your Abstract wallet. So the first thing you want to do is click right here where it says trade, so that this should pop up. Now if you know the ticker or you know the contract address, you could paste it right here, but I don't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some Pudgy Penguin coin. Alright, so I'm going to use my Ethereum to make the purchase. I'm gonna do a random number. I don't want to be that cheap. All right, here we go. We're gonna put the $2 in there. All right, so now we're gonna click review and click trade. Trade is in progress. We're doing this in real time, so it's just right in your face. Trade complete. Let's go, y'all. Trade has been completed, and as you can see, I got some Pudgy Penguins. Well, I didn't show you from the beginning, but I have it now. Alright, so real smooth, fast transaction. I actually like this chain a lot. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.